Hi everyone, good to see you here again. Today I want to talk about the Auckland light rail link, just how important it is to us and how it will figure in the property investing market for the years to come. The light rail link is actually coming from the airport. It'll come to Onehunga as one stop, somewhere in Mount Roskill being the next, then to Balmoral, and then on to Mount Eden, and probably catch up with the underground rail system. The whole rail link, as you probably know, will eventually from the underground will reach out through to other rail links up to Albany, out to West Harbour, through to Papakura and out to Botany directions. These tells us that we need a rapid rail system to shift the population, just as is with other big cities around the world. Auckland is so stretched out now and traffic is getting heavier. If you look at the population, Auckland's growth, 100 people every day, which means another 100 new cars a day on the road. Traffic is getting worse, congestion is already starting 2-3 o'clock in the afternoons, and it's something that has to be considered and actioned on quite early. Once this rail link is introduced, it means wherever you have stops, and you look at overseas places like Hong Kong, New York, Sydney, Mumbai, the UK, wherever there are rail stops, that is where you have property values suddenly rapidly increasing. Why? Because developers will come in and they'll start building multi-story high-rise property values, and that is where the population will shift to near those entry points of the rail system. So as a hint to the future, where is a good spot to buy? I certainly still stick to the central Auckland suburbs, because that's where the population of new migrants are coming in and people from outside of Auckland. Population of Auckland is actually going to be 60% of New Zealanders in the years to come. So think wisely, invest where your tenants are going to be wanting to be. So invest wisely and consider those areas.